over here in the main hall, we will be having Prerna with Coffee with CXO right here on the main stage. So, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to our next session, Impact of Mobility on Enterprise Ecosystem. We would like to invite Let's Go More Labs on stage. So please get your hands together as we welcome Mr. Manav Kamboj, co-founder, and Mr. Nitin Kumar Singh, co-founder, Let's Go More Labs. Here they come. Please get your hands together as they join us on stage. All right, so we would also like to invite the rest of our panelists on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Mr. Sanjay Sethi, CEO and co-founder ShopClues.com, Ms. Vilasini Subramaniam, Vice President Credit and Risk, Home First Finance Company Private Limited, and Mr. Ashish Agarwal, Head of Retail, Gioni. Please get your hands together as our panelists join us on stage. So we have a discussion out here on stage for about 20 minutes where they discuss impact of mobility on enterprise ecosystem. Let's Go More Labs. The stage is all yours.
Thank you. So, as you can see, my notes are even on the mobile. So, the story goes like this, that, mobility is needed everywhere. So, thanks for listening to us when you would, rather be listening to your stomach. Hello? Is it better? Yeah. So, thanks for listening to us when you would rather be listening to your stomach. And I would like to thank, Sanjay from ShopClues, and Akash from Gioni, and Vilasini from HFFC to join us here. What we want to do is, we have on our panel people who have implemented mobility in the enterprise across functions, not just consumer side, but also on the vendor side, in different processes, right from, credit and risk to marketing to sales and distributors. So, we will be asking, and they will be sharing their stories about, what it's like in real world and what are the benefits and, how it has impacted the organization. So, and, over to you now.
Hello. Yep. So, we've seen the impact that mobility had. Even Shiv in his morning session started off with how the world is now moving towards apps plus smartphones plus internet, and who better to start the discussion with than Sanjay, who makes a living out of this. Sanjay, I'm going to put you in a spot today and not ask you about your consumer facing storefronts. Everybody knows about them. You are one of the largest e-commerce players in the country. But I'm going to ask you, how are you visualizing the role of mobility, in your other processes? Because behind that storefront, there are real processes, real products being delivered through real supply chains to real people. So, how do you see mobility playing a role there?
So, yeah, thanks, and putting me on the spot. I would say, if you were living in the feature phone world, so I grew up in the times when we had these rotary phones were still there, and then, the keypads, the digital phones. Cell phones were not available at the time. But it is very hard to imagine, a world going back to, those rotary phones. It's just very, very difficult. And I think the important thing is, if you see innovation in the ecosystem that changes users' behavior, then it is not a fad. It is here to stay. And I think mobility definitely is not a fad. It has changed our behaviors. We can't live without a mobile phone. I mean, I can quote statistics about people carrying three things: their keys, their credit cards, and their mobile phones, almost all the time, all across the world. But I think that being picking up stuff, delivering stuff. And I think if I were to, articulate this differently, I would say, what you see the shop 24/7. I think that is a power of mobility. In fact, we say the shutter on the shop is closed, but the shop is organizations using mobile phones. Pay stubs, all of that. So I mean, there is a whole suite of innovations that are possible with mobile phones. I mean, the obvious ones I'm not talking about. So I mean, as we go along, we can probably talk more about that. And we are thinking about all of them. We have implemented quite a few. We are working on the HR side right now, where we can
Yeah, thank you, Sanjay. I'll. That's very interesting. I was aware of a few things, but a lot of how do you use mobiles to sell more mobiles?
Hello. Uh, yeah, we, Gioni entered product to all of those places. They have to report sales in real time. You have to replenish stock. You have to ensure your focus on one geography. Is very well on television or anywhere because you're not present everywhere. So we had to go everywhere. What we figured out was that we push whatever applications or business tools you need onto the phone. And since this is a product we make, we wanted to run our we identified he said about HR is a big thing. So this is also a sort of HR. So when we saw this success, we implemented it company-wide. So even this is one example. It was easier for us to do it because we made the mobiles. So getting approval from management to do this, a lot of the infrastructure cost which might otherwise into 20. Small thing, but 5 years ago it was so tough to get this. That you want to know that your employee is sitting in a remote corner. What does he look like today and where is he exactly?
And Vilasini, is right now working on a process to kind of get the entire credit onboarding process on mobile. Why don't you just talk?
I liked what Mr. Shivaramakrishnan said in terms of speed to market. I think that's pretty much why we're all, trying to onboard mobility. We've got most of our operations on the mobile platform, apart from, all our internal communication happening through WhatsApp and Hike and all of that. So it's pretty that's the revelation that we've had currently, and we want to kind of use it to our advantage and try and reach out more in the space. at least one member in the family we notice operates on a smartphone. So it becomes that much easier for them to function, and their access to the world and
Do you see a future where probably all of it could be done only on mobile?
So I'm actually a little wary about all or none. I think there are